Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products with detailed insights. Today, we have a real gem for you: the Oxford 2 pocket folders in assorted colors. These are hands down the best color pocket folders available in the market, perfect for all your organizational needs. Whether you're at school, in the office, or just looking for a way to keep things neat at home, these folders are the solution. Let's dive right into the features that make these folders stand out. First up, the design. These folders come in a vibrant assortment of colors: light blue, green, yellow, orange, and red, making them not only functional but also visually appealing. The textured paper finish adds a touch of elegance while ensuring durability. Each folder is crafted to hold up to 50 sheets per pocket, giving you a total capacity of 100 sheets. That's a lot of space for organizing documents, presentations, notes, or even small office projects. The two-pocket design is versatile, allowing you to store papers on both sides, making it easy to sort and access your documents. And if you need to keep a business card handy, you'll love the built-in die-cut business card holder inside each pocket. The Oxford 2 pocket folders are made from 10% recycled fiber and 10% post-consumer fiber, which makes them an eco-friendly choice for those who want to contribute to sustainability. They combine the perfect balance of strength, style, and environmental consciousness. So, whether you're organizing papers for your office, class, or home, these Oxford folders provide a reliable and colorful way to keep everything in order. With 25 folders in each pack, you get great value for your money, and each folder is designed to withstand the daily wear and tear that folders often face. In conclusion, if you want a practical and attractive way to organize your documents, look no further than the Oxford 2 pocket folders. They're affordable, durable, and offer just the right amount of functionality, making them the best color pocket folders out there. Make sure to grab yours and experience the difference they can make in keeping your life organized. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.